Diabetic peripheral arterial disease, PAD, is an occlusive arterial disease affecting distal vessels below the knee. The pathophysiology of PAD can be attributed to structural and functional atherogenic changes to the vasculature. Diabetes augments the process of atherosclerosis by a variety of mechanisms. Two key components in diabetes, hyperglycemia and insulin resistance, contribute to endothelial dysfunction by decreasing nitric oxide bioavailability and altering the function of various cell mediators. Oxidative stress subsequently promotes the formation of foam cells and fatty streaks. In addition, vascular smooth muscle cells exhibit enhanced migration to newly formed lesions, further augmenting plaque development. In advanced atherosclerosis, patients with diabetes have less smooth muscle in the lesions and are more susceptible to plaque rupture compared with the early stages of atherosclerosis. Furthermore, increased platelet aggregation and impaired fibrinolysis also increase the risk of thrombosis, leaving the patient at high risk for complications. Failure to identify and prevent PAD at an early stage can ultimately result in symptoms of intermittent claudication, critical limb ischemia, and lower extremity amputation.